my first ever color me in. Please do it on the website. Well, do it on, like, if you have a coloring service, can you like draw exactly this and color it in, then post it on your channel? So please, I'll move it in so you can see it better. There's logging. I don't know. And here's the instructions. Color shirt black, the hat red, color the wolf gray, and the hand dots pink. So color them in. First one to do it. I subscribe to their channel, I guess. Yeah. And I'll do a Pokemon fusion, so make sure to. I'll show you a little bit some sketches real quick. I'm not really done with them. I'm done drawing, but not in the middle of coloring. You don't have to do these. I drew them myself. I think that's one I just drew. I got bored. Yeah, so I'm still in the middle of the Squirtle. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Cause Pikachu settle.
Please subscribe to my channel for more random stuff.
Boppy beep boop beep beep boppy beep boop beep boop beep bop.